Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Xbox application not working or not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So first of all, what you have to do is type in add or remove. On Windows search, select add or remove programs. It will open settings window. Here you have to type in Xbox on the search bar. Once you found that, select the three-dotted button, select advanced options, scroll down just a bit until you see repair. Select repair, wait a few seconds. Once repaired, click on reset. Wait for a few seconds once again. Once completed, try launching the Xbox application once again and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in services, hit enter. It will open this window. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you see 4 Xbox services. So you have to start with the first one, which is Xbox Accessory Management Service. Double click. Now select the startup type to automatic. Select apply and then click on start. Click on OK. Now you have to do this exact same for the other 3 services of Xbox. Once you've done that, you can close the window, hit the Windows key and type in Microsoft Store, hit enter, and then go to the download section, and then you have to select check for updates. It will check if there's any update available for the Xbox application or not. Once you've done that, try opening the Xbox application to check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in PowerShell. Right click, click on Run as Administrator. It will open a shell window. Then what you have to do is paste in a command. You can try zooming into the YouTube video and take a screenshot of this command. Once you have typed in, hit enter. Wait for a bit. Now once you see this, you have to type in another command, which is this. You can also zoom in and take a screenshot of this video. Hit enter and it will automatically open Microsoft Store and it will show you the gaming services. What you have to do is simply click on the install button and it will start installing this gaming services. Once the installation process has been completed, what you have to do is simply restart your PC. It's really important to restart your PC before it makes any changes. So once it's restarted, you can try opening the Xbox application and your problem will be fixed. So that's simply how you can fix Xbox application not working or not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.